Today, I'm diving into the challenge of boosting my business using AI-powered growth strategies, and I'll be sharing every step of the journey with you. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of the competition requires innovative thinking and leveraging the latest technologies. AI-powered growth strategies are revolutionizing the way business operate, and it's essential to understand how to harness their potential to drive success. Many businesses struggle to achieve sustainable growth, and it's not hard to see why. Traditional methods of analyzing customer data, identifying trends, and making predictions are time consuming, prone to errors, and often insufficient. In today's digital economy, customer behaviors and preferences are constantly changing, making it difficult for businesses to keep up. Without effective strategies in place, even the most promising businesses can plateau or even decline. Moreover, the sheer volume of customer data can be overwhelming, making it challenging to extract valuable insights. Traditional methods of data analysis, such as manual processing and simple statistical methods, are no longer sufficient to keep up with the speed and complexity of modern business. Furthermore, attempting to scale traditional methods can be costly and inefficient, diverting valuable resources away from more pressing business needs. In addition, traditional marketing strategies often rely on intuition rather than data-driven decision-making, leading to wasted resources and poor ROI. They may also fail to account for external factors such as market trends, seasonality, and competitive activity, which can significantly impact business performance. By relying on traditional methods, businesses risk falling behind their competitors and missing out on opportunities for growth. But what if you could tap into the power of artificial intelligence to drive business growth? AI-powered growth strategies can help businesses overcome these challenges by providing unparalleled insights, automating repetitive tasks, and optimizing decision-making. One effective AI-powered strategy is predictive analytics, which uses machine learning algorithms to identify patterns in customer data and forecast future behaviors. This enables businesses to proactively respond to emerging trends, personalize customer experiences, and optimize marketing campaigns for maximum ROI. Another strategy is using chatbots to automate customer support, freeing up human resources for more strategic activities while providing 24/7 support to customers. Additionally, AI-powered content generation can help businesses scale their content marketing efforts, create engaging customer experiences, and establish thought leadership in their industries. So let's take the example of a company like Netflix, which has successfully leveraged AI-powered growth strategies to drive its maximum success. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze user data, Netflix is able to provide personalized content recommendations, predict viewer preferences, and optimize its content delivery. This has enabled the company to achieve unprecedented customer engagement, retention, and growth. Another example is the company called HubSpot, which has developed an AI-powered platform that helps businesses optimize their sales, marketing, and customer services activities. By using machine learning algorithms to analyze customer interactions, HubSpot's platform can identify patterns, predict behaviors, and provide actionable insights to businesses. This has enabled companies to improve their customer experiences, increase conversions, and drive revenue growth. In the case of Grammarly, another software, an AI-powered writing assistant, the company has successfully leveraged machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior, identify areas of improvement, and provide personalized writing recommendations. This has enabled users to improve their writing skills, reduce errors, and enhance their overall productivity. In conclusion, AI-powered growth strategies have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate, providing unparalleled insights, automating repetitive tasks, and optimizing decision-making. By leveraging these strategies, businesses can overcome the challenges of achieving sustainable growth, stay ahead of the competition, and drive success in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI-powered growth strategies in the comments below. If you'd like to check out our website for AI promotion, it's alpusonlineai.com. That's alpusonlineai.com. And if you'd like to talk to me about any of the strategies or any of the content of this video, or you're interested in starting or growing a low-cost startup business using AI, then you can reach out to me. That's Alan. My telephone number is 07539 141257. From outside the UK, it's +44 7539 141257, or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, it's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusgroup.com or alan@alpusonlineai.com. Cheers for now.